Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. In this video I'm going to create a quick and a real in-depth review about this platform. So let's get started about the user experience about this platform from me. So this company specializes in this platform called Registered Agents Inc. LLC. This company specializes in registered agent service. They focus less on general business formation and more on privacy, speed, and compliances. Signing up is straightforward. You pick your state, pay, and they undo everything quickly. Their online dashboard is clean and very focused on delivering illegal document notification fast, and also ideal for business that wants to stay compliant and need a reliable registered agent without extra stuff or extra stuff. So that's it. Let me know about your experience about this platform in the comment section. Thanks.